Strength exercise, Divebomber push-ups. Place your hands just slightly wider than shoulder width apart on your mat. Post up onto your feet. Your standard push-up position will be your starting position. Reach your rear end up into the air. Dive down, bending the elbows, skinning the floor with your nose, chin, and chest all the way up into your upward facing dog position. To come back, you come back the exact same way, skinning the chest, chin, and nose, pushing yourself back into your starting position.